been a few months now since I had a go at remaking my old models when I was first kind of starting out in Blender, and I thought the last one really to do was the fire truck. I made this, let's see, 4 years ago. So continuing with the last in this series, I'm going to remake this model like I did with the other ones. This I made when I was just getting to grips with learning Blender, and as you can see, quite a few issues, mainly lack of reference, very high poly count for what you actually get. I don't know if I should be worried. This has 666 views. So while the detail's not bad on this, it's completely from imagination rather than, again, from any kind of reference. So what I thought was the most popular fire engine is, of course, Jupiter from Fireman Sam. And this is actually a Dennis S50, I think. That's right. Jupiter is a Dennis RS or SS, and that's what I'm going to be building this time. So this will be the reference, and hopefully I'll make something more, something better. Where to begin? First of all, this wasn't built to any kind of scale at all. The whole thing was made from imagination. So what I might do is look up some reference. What I see here is the actual dimensions of the real thing. So this is going to be my reference, and I'm going to get the dimensions from this to see how big the real thing really is. So here I have my fire engine shape. Now I just need to add where the wheels are to get like an accurate template to work from when adding the details. Actually, I think I should be building the Dennis DS, which has a slightly shorter wheelbase and is shorter in length. So the Fireman Sam fire engine, called Jupiter, is probably going to be one of these because it has a shorter wheelbase and is narrower, specifically designed for rural areas. So you definitely couldn't have a full-size Dennis RS on that bridge there because the wheelbase would be too long and the vehicle would be too wide. That can't be right. Oh no, let's just use a... Is there a technical drawing? It is 180. So, let's do this. The original Jupiter had these kind of designs on the wheels, and the new one had a similar design, so I'll try and replicate that like so. Okay, that's slightly vexing. The image is at an angle, so that makes things kind of challenging. Anyway, let's go ahead and build our first cube. So we want, let's just go ahead and extrude that then. So extrude to here, extrude to here, extrude to here, extrude to here, and let's go ahead and make a cut down here and here, and let's go ahead and extrude the top piece out like so. Now, can I maybe I will extrude these out as well. Extrude to here. Gonna move this one back like so, and then I can go ahead and extrude a bit more. So, I think it went a bit off the deep end with the poly count here. So, compared to the other vehicles now, this is way more detailed, probably. So I didn't really stick with the original brief of trying to make something low poly. Nor doesn't actually follow the reference, because I've kind of bastardized several different fire engines in this design, and I've probably left out a lot of stuff at the back here, but I think it's still better than the original one, hopefully. So that's the end of that. See you next time.